In front of me is Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling to hit Google. Now tap on All Services to scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google. Then Google Password Manager, and finally Add Password. Now you need to input all of those informations to add your password. And save them by hitting Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!